Hey everyone, so this is the first edition of my analytics report video for this channel. The goal is to weekly go over my analytics. This is an analysis that I'm doing for myself and sharing with you guys. So I have not looked at these numbers like today before doing this. And the goal is to see how the channel is going, see if we can generate any insight and make decisions on what to do next. That's pretty much it, right? So here's the channel dashboard. That's the video that I last posted. So let's go over the content here for a while. There's a few shorts that I've been publishing for the past 2 or 3 months, and this is the first long video that I have published a couple days ago. So going to the analytics for last 28 days, dropped in views and watch time, gained a couple subscribers. Top videos are still some shorts, right? So this video here, I did it right because I'm taking a little bit of the hype that it's not as hyped anymore, like AI. But introducing AI with music, I did a cool analysis on lyrics from hit songs around the world. This video, it's optimized for SEO, but YouTube is not really pushing it to anyone as of now. If we go to the video itself, we'll see that the impressions are still very low, right? Had some clicks, so that's okay, but it's really, we cannot say anything about this video at this point in terms of performance because there's really no impressions pretty much. So I think YouTube's having a bit of a hard time trying to figure out who to show this video to. That's somewhat expected because the channel is new, and this is not like the keyword for which it's optimized. It's not really trending right now, so it's there. Let's see if it picks up on the next weeks or months. It's kind of annoying when this kind of things happen, right? You put a lot of effort into a video and it's just there, stuck. But that's how it works. That's how YouTube works. It's not a short-term game, it's a long-term game. So now, since this channel is pretty new and I've just started posting long form, my main goal is to reach monetization, right? So switching to more focus on long form videos to gain more watch time and more views. I will still do some shorts, playing music or whatever if I have some other interesting ideas. But I will be producing more long form content. In terms of traffic and where this traffic is coming from, it's mainly YouTube. I'm not advertising or promoting the channel anywhere else. I want to grow it very organically with viewers and subscribers that really like and relate to the content that I'm creating. So as of traffic sources, we have YouTube's own sources like feeds and search, that kind of stuff. And yeah, that's it. There's not a lot of other information that we can go through as of now because we have just a few videos. There's a bit of geographies here, so mostly Brazil. I'm Brazilian, and some US, some UK, and other places. We have age and gender here, only guys. I guess that's what you get when you do a lot of guitar content. You get mostly guys, and adults. Inspiration, I don't really know. Yeah, it's not relevant right now. And since I'm focusing on monetization, I'm going to be constantly looking at the last 365 days. That's those are the bounds for the goals that we want, right? So for monetizing YouTube channel, in case you don't know, you need 1,000 subscribers. So we have 4, we need another 996, and you need 4,000 watch time hours. So we're at 20, so that means we need another 3,980 watch time hours. So that's what we're going to be working towards for the upcoming months. And that's it. That's the first report. As I go through these reports week over week, I'm probably gonna find ways to make the report itself more optimized, like the sequence, the order that I go through things, and finding insights and all of that, and maybe going back to decisions that were made, tests that were made, and seeing how those things turn out. For now, it's really unstructured. I'm just starting out, so this is what we got. But hey, that's the first one, and that's it. See ya.